Hi, good afternoon, and thank you for visiting us here at ELS Tags. So we're going to do an overview today on digital tags that are just NFC enabled. They don't require any software, server, special applications. Basically, what you can use it for is using your iPhone or Android to update the tags, update the pricing, and also upload customized pricing or labels to the tags. Okay, it's a great type of tag that you want to use if you have a low budget, a small project on the store. Um, it can be used by anybody who has the information on their phone and can easily be deployed using, like I said, a smartphone or Android in any location. So the application that the NFC uses has already built in about maybe 10 or 15 templates for pricing, for prices. You can enter data fields or pricing or description information into those templates and use them. And at the same time, you can create your own labels, right? Or and then load it up to the tag. If you do that, then you would have to use you can create your own tags under a picture format, which is JPEG or PNG. Each tag has a specific pixel that it uses. You have to go by those sizes and load up the picture to it onto the tag, and I'll show you in a little bit. So the way it works is you load up the application and you first have to sync with the tag. So let's take this sample here. This is a 4.2. We're going to match it first, right? And then you have to put it specifically in a specific space. And then what you do is you select any of the pre-made templates that it has. It's going to select this one here and send out. It's going to sync to it. You'll see the percentage being loaded on there. It'll say, okay, transferred. And the tag will reboot with that information that you just uploaded to it. Okay. Let's get another tag. Let's try this one over here. Now each tag has a specific place you have to tap it to sync first. So we're gonna try this one here. Okay, that found that. Let's look for a specific tag, which is this one already here. Let's look for this one over here. Send it out. You see the percentage. It says okay. You take it away. Now the trick to this is you have to make sure that the smartphone is flush against the tag. That's the only requirement, because what happens is it has to have a good connection for it to work with. Okay. So these are the two tags that we just updated. As you can see, it's really quick, works pretty fast, and gets the job done. So we're going to see some examples of right now of the tag being uploaded with a picture. So we're going to get this one over here again. We're going to match it again, right? And then over here, we're going to select choose a template. We already have pre-fabricated pictures over here already. And let's look for one over here. Let's see here. Let's try this one over here. Okay, let's try that. Re-upload. That one didn't work. Let me see. I didn't. Okay, here it is. Confirm that. You see, it did the percentage. It loaded the information. The tag is rebooting right now. Okay. Let's get another tag while that reboots. Did I do it correctly? No, I did not. Yeah, this trick is you have to make sure you're hitting it directly onto the tag. Let's select another template. Let's see if it's this one. No, let's confirm that, and then keep it flush. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, okay. Oh, you know what it is? We probably have to go back and sync it. So this, click to match it, matched it. Click on the picture again, and select the picture, confirm, load it up. Okay, let's see if that works out better. Yeah, there it goes. So this is an example. You have to first go back to the matching part, and then it'll properly, there you are, properly upload the picture that we have saved on here. So what I do is I create the pictures in Microsoft Paint with a specific pixel it needs, save it as a PNG or a JPEG, and then email them to myself and save them onto pictures on the iPhone, right? And then I just look at my picture library using the app and load it, okay? So let's go back over here. And this time we're gonna first match this one, right? I found it. Let's do this. There it is, I found it. Let's upload, let me see this one here. Confirm. Done, I found it. And let's see how that looks like over here. There you are. Pretty fast. Okay. Let's get this big one over here. This is a 7.5 inch tag. You bring down, you get the app, you go to the home, right? You get to the home section, click to match, and then, like I said, you have to find out where the tag will be matching. Let's see here. So let's find it. Let's see here. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. On the app, it'll tell you the positioning where it is. So if you click on this here, we can scroll down and then, oh, okay, here it is. The matching part on the tag is in the left-hand corner. All the sample tags are here. This was on the left-hand corner bottom. So let's go back. Let's match it again, but on the left-hand corner. There it is. I found it. So that being said, let's get a tag. No, that's not the right one. Let's try this one. Yep, that's the one we want to use. Confirm that. Okay, there you are. So let's see what happens over here. Should we start? Oh, I took it. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. And this was the red color on there. Okay. So this is our overview on the NFC tags that we carry. We have a 4.2, 7.5. We have 2.9 white bezel, black bezel. You can order these with black or white bezel on them. And you can call us anytime. We'll give you the pricing for this tag. So thank you so much for visiting us. Thank you.